Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install gun mode in Minecraft. First, open your browser and type this in, Minecraft Fish Guns mode. So, Mr. Crayfish mode or something like that. Anyway, this is the mode, and make sure to copy it and paste it in your browser. Now, once you open it, go to Files, and here let's check which version is available. So as you can see, this is the game version and Minecraft Guns mode 1.3.7. So we need to actually know the game versions. It is very important so we understand which Forge mode we need to download. So it is 1.19.4. So I'm gonna click on it, click on download, and this should be it for the moment. So it should start the download in 2 seconds, 1 second, and there we go. This is the mode. I'm gonna move it to the desktop. There it is. Now we need to understand that we need to install the Forge. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna go here, and as we said, we need the version 1.19.4. So let's go ahead and search for Forge mode, and this is the page which is Forge files that we need to open. And let's go for 19, and here for, as you can see, click the installer. And from there we need to simply wait 5 seconds for our file to be ready. So let's wait this 5 seconds, and therefore I'm going to click on skip, and from here the download should be done, and here it is for 1.19.4. Now what should we do now? The next step is to simply launch the Forge file and launch the installer, and from there I'm going to install the client, go and click on OK, and just like that, this should be it for now. Now we only need to wait for this to be done, and then we need to open Minecraft on this version. So I'm gonna do that meanwhile this process is done. So now guys, as if Minecraft is opened, what I'm gonna do is to simply click on modes, and I'm going to open the modes folder. Now after it is opened, I'm going to drag this file, which is this file right here, into it. So let's go to modes, and there it is. Now what we need to do is to actually refresh Minecraft, so we need to relaunch the launcher. So let's do that real quick. And as you can see guys, after I have reopened the game, here it is for modes loaded. Here, let me just open my word. I'm gonna create a new word right in front of you. So I'm going to do this and click on yes, and now we simply have to wait. And after I load into the word, I'm going to show you that I have guns inside of the word. Using game mode creative, I will be able to have every single item that is added by the mode itself. So let's wait a little bit until the games load for us. As you can see, it's pretty fast. And now I'm going to join the turn, and I'm going to open to learn on just like that / game mode creative. And after I click on E, I will tap in here, and as you can see, here are the guns. Now we have guns in Minecraft, as you will be able to see. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.